All right, we've reached the final part of our To-Do app, and we're just going to hammer out this last little styling piece and we'll be done. So your challenge is, notice we're here in the To-Do item component. What you're going to do is make it so that the items that are completed look a little bit different than the items that are incomplete. I'd recommend maybe graying the text out, doing a line through it, maybe turning it to italics or something like that. I'm probably going to do all three, but whatever kind of styling you want to add, go for it and pause the lesson now. Give that a try. Okay, so I'm thinking this will be pretty straightforward. Inside of my function here, I'm going to create a inline style, maybe called completed style. And let's change the font style to be italic. Essentially, these styles represent any time that one of the items is completed, they will get this style. We'll make it italic, and then we'll make it maybe kind of a light gray color, and we can put a line through it with text decoration. And then the thing that I want to style is the paragraph here that has the text of the to-do. And so I'm going to add a style property. And I need to do some conditional rendering here that determines whether or not I should apply these styles. So I'm going to say if props.item.completed is true, I'll just do this inside of a ternary. Then I want you to apply the completed style. And if it's false, then I'll just say null, which essentially means forget it. I'm not actually going to do any styling here. So if I save and refresh this, there we go. My completed items are grayed out. They're italicized. They have a line through them. If I make it incomplete, it essentially takes those styles out. Awesome. Great job on the To-Do app. Hopefully you actually took the time to try and do a lot of this yourself. If you haven't, I really highly recommend going back and actually doing these. Again, you might remember one of my strong philosophies is that you'll never actually learn to create these applications unless you actually do it by hand. Just watching somebody else do it isn't really going to cut it. Now, coming up soon, you'll get a chance to build an entire app from the beginning, and catching up on things like this To-Do app and actually trying it yourself is going to really make that task a lot easier. Once you're ready, let's go to the next lesson.